Hello there guys and gals, good morning to each every one of you. Let's have some breakfast. I'm so hungry. I'll be preparing, oh my gosh, oatmeal with lots of raisins and fruit. Ah, lovely. Wow, come over here guys and gals. I just really love oatmeal. This could be my first time eating this kind of flavor. Wow. Oh my gosh. And then let's put some milk. How are you all guys doing? Lots of milk. See that? Wow! Healthy breakfast. Not so hard on the tummy, but yet satisfying. Sugar, brown sugar. It's all up for you if you want white, but I still prefer the brown sugar because it's more good. Hold on. And let's put some salt, for it will combine the taste of, hold on, oh gosh, taste of, what's that? Oh, who's this, the one calling? Hey, the combination of, I'm lost, the sweetness and the saltiness. And let's put some water. So let's go. You're disturbing me. Bye for now.